Yeah. So we were talking about the Swadeshi movement. So what happened in the Swadeshi movement is that oh yes, the Swadeshi movement is known as Make in India, or rather we can say Made in India, which is now happening. Campaign was officially proclaimed. Actually, it happened in it was put into the rules on August 7th, 1905, at the Calcutta Town Hall, which is Kolkata in Bengal. Boycott movement also launched along with the Swadeshi movement. Boycott is stop using, not doing something against something. The movements included using goods produced in India and burning British made goods. Bal Gangadhar Tilak encouraged Swadeshi and boycott movement after the British government decided the partition of Bengal. Now, in 1900, Bengal was the major province of British India, I have told you. The Indian national movement of began in Bengal mainly, and thus Britishers decided to partition Bengal. When Lord Curzon, then Viceroy of India, announced that partition of Bengal in 1905, the Indian National Congress, the INC, which we have done, initiated Swadeshi movement in Bengal. It was launched as a protest movement which also gave a lead to the boycott movement in the country. Boycott in the sense is, I come into your class and I tell you, in my class you all have to wear red colored t-shirt. First bench will wear red color, second bench will wear blue color, third bench will wear yellow color. I don't want to see you in uniform. But the school rule is you have to be in uniform. I try to put a rule onto you. And that too not Indian made clothes. Whereas you are getting good uniform, I am telling you to wear something else because I am getting a commission on it. You say, we will not do this. You get punishment. I suppress you. You revolt. You stand outside the class, you don't come inside, you take off those clothes, you wear your school uniform, you throw those all down, you start burning them. Boycott, we will not wear this. We are not going to use this. We will not go to school. We will not do our class in Ronan sir's class because we are against this rule. We will not want. We want Indian made clothes. We want clothes to be tailored in Muzaffarpur. Okay. So that is how it is called a boycott. We will not go with your rules. We try to boycott. We don't want to do something. When we are not satisfied with something, we try to boycott it. Like now we are boycotting the Chinese goods, the Chinese apps. We are all boycotting it. It's being stopped in India because they are having a war with us. They are planning to have a war with us. It's already so many people have died at the border of our soldiers. Right? So this is all about it. This is how a boycott can be done. And next is, it happened was what do you say? Like sorry, I got disturbed. The Indian national movement began, thus the Britishers decided to part Bengal. Now the Indian National Congress initiated Swadeshi movement in Bengal. Swadeshi means Indian, Apna. Movement was launched as process and this as a protest, and then the boycott also got into it. In 1909, the movement had spread across the country and people had started anti-partition and anti-colonial movements. In Andhra Pradesh, the Swadeshi movement was also known as Vande Mataram movement. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Hyderabad, which has got two parts. Telangana is also there. In 1910, there were many secret associations that had been set up, and there were many revolutionary movements which were synonymous to Swadeshi movement. Later movements by Mahatma Gandhi in 1915 such as Satyagraha movement, non-corporation movement were based on Swadeshi movement. Mahatma Gandhi is the Gandhian policy. We'll come to that in the next chapter, I guess, or later. We'll come to know. I'll not tell you today anything about it. The key people in this Swadeshi movement: Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Aurobindo Ghosh, V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, and Babu Genu. These were the people with this Swadeshi movement. Okay, so we'll keep it till there. I'll just read it to you. Question answer next time. I'll do it. The two important events of the nationalist movement were the launching of Swadeshi and the boycott movements in Bengal in 1905. They had a simple principle: British made goods were boycotted and people were asked to buy Indian made goods or Swadeshi goods instead. It led to the establishment of textile mills, banks, soap and pen factories, and British made goods were thrown into bonfires, means they were all burnt up. Now, students and women joined the movement in large numbers. Schools were established where the traditional education system was followed. The movement spread to other parts of India. Crowds were attacked by the British authorities, hit with lathis, bullets and put into jails, but it did not deter them. Finally, the British agreed to bring in some reforms. But soon after the First World War broke out in 1914, the British asked the Indians to help them fight the war. The Indians helped, thinking that British would make changes after the World War ended in 1918 and give them their freedom. But instead, the British passed stricter laws such as the Roe Law Act and tried to strengthen their control over India. We will read more about the next stage of the movement, the Gandhian phase led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, in the following chapter. The Rowlatt Act, I am going to tell you, okay, what was all about the Satyagraha. I'll just give a brief explanation. The Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919. It gave the British the power to send anyone to jail without trial in court. Means I'll put you into jail without any reason and rhyme. You go to jail, there is no court for you. I am going to send you to jail. That is the Rowlatt Act. Basically, details I'll give you more. So till there we'll keep it and study a chapter properly. It's a very interesting chapter. Just try to think, put yourself into that situation. How people were killed. They were going against. So many people died. Today we are free because so many people really fought for us. Students fought. With little bit of pandemic we are getting tensed. We will not go to school, what will happen, this will happen, that will happen, and those people gave blood, they died for our country, for us to be in a better position. And we are also going to make our country better for the next generation to have a better position, right? So we all have to act as brothers and sisters doing this. We have to make our country a better place to live in. It's not only putting up a status, environment day. Plant a tree instead of going on the mobile. Plant a tree. Go buy a plant and keep it in your house on the terrace. Go and water it every day. See, you will feel happy when something comes out of it. Even if a new leaf comes out, you'll go and watch it and then put it on the status. I have planted a tree. Now don't stand in front of a 100-year-old tree and take a selfie and say, oh, I had planted this tree. My grandfather had planted this. Do something yourself. If you cut one tree, you have to plant at least this atmosphere region, this ecosystem, you have to plant 3 trees. Before it was 2 trees. If you cut one tree, at least plant 3 trees. First plant, let them grow a little bit, then you cut one tree. It will save a lot of time, it will save deforestation, it will give us oxygen, and it will do, you are doing a good deed. Okay guys? And too much of can, right? So any issues, please do let me know on the group WhatsApp, your holiday homework. Do it properly as all indications have been given to you how you have to do it. And take care of yourselves, be good, and excuse me, love your parents, spend as much as time possible with them, because once school opens again you will be coming home. You have got into the habit, the parents have also got into the habit of you staying so much of time in the house with them. Parents are also there, they are not also, it's a nice compact of the family, happy families. So stay happy, smile, and do some physical activity at home instead of mobile. Please get away from that mobile factor and all that. Do something creative, and stay home, stay safe, and do whatever you want after your studies. Bye bye, see you in the next class.